Huh? I'm not hitting him with the skies. Is it rolling, Reed?
Yeah, we're live.
Welcome, homies and homiettes, to my 1986 Ski Supreme, my first boat that I bought for $4,500. Already dumped probably another 1,000 to it, holding true to the boat name.
Mr. Fearno-co, Mr. Fearno-co.
Oh yeah, I gained a sticker. This is actually the second weekend we've been here with this boat. And no, we didn't find out if the boat had any problems. We found out that I have a problem remembering and checking if I brought these. So now, instead of you're watching fearno-co, you're watching fearno-co. Anyway, today we're gonna put it in the water and hopefully shit doesn't leak. We'll remember the plugs, hopefully. The real main course of this video probably is that. I'll stick a GoPro on Damien and see how that goes. Here's little giggles while we yeet him off the wake. And then we'll have plenty of videos coming out. We might throw a wake tower on this, try to wake surf, wake board. Just kind of depends if she works. Get it, you have a 6-0, bro.
To get down here and we'll see if he does it well. What do you think, Jason? Is he gonna do it good?
You know, he's not that bad. He's doing pretty good right now.
It's not hard to drive a long trailer.
I don't know how far back to go.
Keep going.
What do you think, Jordy?
I am caught on a boat right now. The V8's a humming. Alright guys, currently the boat be working. We are on the lake. We ripped all the way down to where we used to ski. We're just chilling down here right now. We got the subs hooked up. We got the radio going. The boys are here.
Yeah.
Landon's here. Y'all haven't seen Landon in a long time. fearno-co stickers there. I think we're gonna go bump some music and rip down the lake. We'll see. So these guys are gonna go get the tobe and hopefully some sunscreen. We're trying to figure out how to tie it. But so far the subs are bumping, the radio's bumping, the boat's doing real well. So it's time to grab the tube and the rope and see how that goes. Who's going first? Damien and Jason? Run it, dude.
I don't know if they're
let's do that. Well, me and you. Yeah.
Send it, boys, send it. Somehow we're gonna have to take that thing with all of us in this tiny John. Nice.
Oh, we're sitting on it? I think the only option here.
It's gonna be quite the vert.
It's gonna be quite the weird when they get flown off.
Well, we're gonna have Jordan's beautiful voiceover talking about what's going on right now. Isn't that right, Jordan?
Today.
Right, we figured out the meadow to get this thing in here.
So today we'll be going full speed.
Whoa, I didn't even realize Landon's holding his toes back
Landon's got a hold of my dogs. I'm holding on to Jason. It's safe. We're cool. I'm not sure what kind of laws apply out here on the water.
Yeah, you should be seated down. There is a lot of laws on the water. And probably more than the street, I'm gonna be honest with you.
You can't really get pulled over for speeding too much out here.
Yes, you can.
Well, yeah, if you're hauling 90 the whole time, but like 40 feels fast.
We were doing like 35
Yeah,
max.
exactly.
They're just little babies. They don't want to go faster.
That's pretty cool.
Reed, what do you think of the dam?
Damn! Damn, that's a dam. That's a whole ass dam. No way! They just barely sat on it and flipped. Landon, don't break the backboard, please.
I'm trying not to.
Don't get in the boat.
Well, then what am I supposed to do?
Get back on the tube.
How did that happen?
It's not that bad once you get in.
Yeah. Like, I feel better now.
All right, Lit. That's what we needed everyone to hear.
Does anyone have service out here?
Why? We don't need emergency services. We're good. Is it going back here, boys?
I don't know. I'm trying to see what he's doing. I'm picking up what you're putting down.
It's gonna work at all. We're gonna loop it through.
We're learning, okay? We're learning.
Reed, you should go on. It feels amazing, honestly.
It is pretty high. It's gonna feel
not
nice.
bad at all. It feels great, especially since we don't have sunscreen.
All right, later.
Loker genuine.
Loker genuine, yeah.
Fifth time's the charm.
It's my first time, alright? Give me a break.
You gotta hold it.
It's not.
Push him back out.
Bye, guys.
Oh, not again, David.
That is so funny. You guys having fun over there?
Alright, let's start slow, Jordy.
You'll be able to hear us, right?
Not
yeah.
over the motor.
No.
It's on there.
It's on there.
It's not doing any more damage than it would have already.
We almost died.
I'm so glad we got that on camera.
Oh my god, that shit was scary. It's fun, but terrifying.
I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to get back on.
Damien might not.
I got it.
I got it.
Landon's gonna have to be the counterbalance. I was trying to get you to do like a little S and then just full sweep the corner and then they would hit a bump. Oh my god, he did it. Not that hard. Damien's done. Teamwork. Oh, speedboat, get it. Pull yourselves in.
Dude, that was at least a G or two of force.
That thing is insane. How was the filming? Did it look good?
Jason?
Oh, I think it's good.
You are a pain in my ass!
It's literally right when you, right, if say you fall in,
Oh yeah.
you'll be cold for a little bit, but then you just like, the adrenaline's pumping through you, so you don't even think about the
Yeah,
cold.
like,
You're
I'm
just
not cold
focusing
right
on, yeah, no, I'm chilling, dude. It actually feels great. It feels
Real
like AC.
refreshing. It is refreshing.
It is quite
Feels like
refreshing.
a cup of sun.
All right, Jason, get your ass on.
I need a jacket.
Jason, you're good.
That water went straight up my nose.
Was that nice, Jason?
It's not that bad.
I'm telling you, bro, Reed's just too much of a baby to go on.
Reed, will you go with me?
No.
I just
Reed,
don't
go
like
with Jordan, because Jordan's the only one we're going to drive nice for.
Such a lie.
Tubing is not my forte.
Neither is mine.
I like wakeboarding and surfing.
Calm down. Oh, they're gone.
That was insane.
How was that?
That hurt a little bit.
What even happened?
They like cartwheeled.
Way worse. You were ripping that shit. That shit just...
You said, and I was like,
No, I'm saying slow down.
oh, this is not slow down.
I skipped on the water. I seen us flipping immediately. I just turned to my back and said, boom, boom, boom. I think I'm done for now. Yeah, I had my fun.
I'm on my own tube by myself, not on my boat, because all these people don't want to get on the tube with me.
Damien's over here. What are you conning the boat? He's conning the boat.
Being lame.
Oh, they know. He's very lame. Isn't that right, Reed?
It's okay, I'll survive without a concussion today.
I want in and out. Landon's
And that's
over
not
here.
that's the reason he has a concussion, because he doesn't like in and out.
He's
Ready, Jordy?
No.
Drag me!
was that?
Oh, there's a problem with the tube.
What?
Not enough people on there.
That's one problem. Second problem is where we have it tied. When I get going around the side, freaking grabs and then nose dives in. That's why you guys keep flying off and not drifting as hard. My ears.
Dude, I'm sorry for
Yeah.
being like a little baby. Dude, I could actually jump.
Where's the gators?
Where
The gators.
Where's the gators?
Oh, dude.
That was a long piss.
You said what?
What'd you think of the S's, bro?
They're violent.
Yeah.
It's wee, wee, wee. And every time it yeets you, the front end dips under the water and starts fumbling, like waterboarding you. And then you have no idea if you're going that way, that way, that way. It's just insane. But it's fun. That's the fun part.
When I was on the tube, Jordy was literally just tossing me and Landon back there, dude. It's like the only reason we didn't flip over, I think, is because I kept like anchoring us to the ground. Like you'll see in the clips that Landon literally goes up on my side, and my side, I wasn't going up at all.
We're about to head back out. Everyone's turning into a lobster. Not Jason though, his Greek genes pulled through. Landon's forehead's getting a little red. Damien's turning into a lobster.
I'm chilling, bro.
It's busy now, there's wake boats everywhere.
Pretty damn successful day. We got here around like 9 o'clock. Getting off the boat ramp was a little sketch, but it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, we'll see how you get on though.
Probably getting tight. I hope it did. It's not doing well.
No, it's not.
Landon's got the tube.
Yeah, we're gonna try and around with inertia right now. No.
We're successfully off the boat ramp. Hopefully I didn't freaking skin the thing on the damn fenders, but I think we did. I heard noises. Yay. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's not a lot, but there's definitely quite a bit of water in there. I think it was probably coming from there. There's not any Teflon on that plug down there. There you go. There's the plug down there. And a little bit of water. All right, guys, we're all trailered back up. We're ready to go back home and have some food. Oh, thanks, Reed. Too short to hold it for myself, apparently. Not like extra short.
Well, I wasn't in frame.
Oh. Don't worry, gang. I got this.
Holy rig.
Sheesh. Now, if you're thinking about buying a ski boat for cheap, I would do it, dude. This is pretty tough for 5K, basically. 5K for a lot of fun. Like, you could have one bomb summer with the boys if you just bought one. Also, soon, these will be available to you guys. Stay tuned for that. And plus, we never had a video, but we officially hit 200 subscribers. So y'all need to keep hitting that button. I think on the video with you and Reed, we had like 98% not subscribed for views. I'm like, damn, what are y'all doing? Sleeping on us. This is gonna be way more fun than there's this. Next week, gonna be jet skis. Let me interview the boys. Did you have fun, Damien?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, was it good?
I had lots of fun.
Was it worth $5 grand or what?
It didn't cost me a penny, so yeah.
About 8 better deals popped up on Marketplace 2 days after he bought it.
Yeah, that's definitely true. Landon, you had fun?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was a good time.
It was a good time. I'm never going again.
Anyway, if y'all don't like, subscribe, or share, you're never gonna see us and you'll miss out. So don't miss out. Be there or be square. Catch y'all later.